In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unlock hidden photo album on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, then tap right here to head over to Albums, and then scroll down to the very bottom, where we can easily find Hidden Album here. As you may notice, it is showing that log icon next to it, and that means that the hidden album is now locked. It means that Face ID is required to get access to that album. And now let me show you how we can easily unlock it. To do that, head over to Settings, then scroll down until you find Photos, and that's where we need to search for an option which is called Use Face ID. If we would like to unlock the hidden album, we need to turn it off. Keep in mind that it will ask you to confirm it with your face. Now, if we go back here, we can find that hidden album is no longer locked. However, in some cases it may happen that hidden album even not showing here. We can make it appear right from the same part of the settings just by turning on the option which is called Show Hidden Album. Just tap on it to turn it on to make hidden album appear at the Utilities section. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.